legitimating its name as the great culture group in Rwanda tradition, drama and dance, performing in different events on the local and international scene. Recently, Reef Junior Troupe has been in Tanzania in a cultural exchange event. Reef Junior Troupe is improving fast with 40 members, talented and inspired youth with mission of preserving the Rwandan culture. These boys and girls believe that nation without its culture is like a tree without its roots.